Assalamu alaikum. Today I am talking about 30 tech myths. So let's start. 30 tech myths that you need to stop believing in right now. Myths spread like wildfire. So it's very important to know what the actual truth is. Today we have covered 30 such myths about technology that people still believe. More megapixels mean better picture quality. Cameras are mostly judged on the number of megapixels they have, but that does not tell the whole story. The only benefit of have more megapixel is that it give you the ability to crop, zoom and print big posters. More RAM mean better performance. There are lots of people who think that a higher amount of RAM is device result is a great performance and end up buying the wrong device. However, for smooth performance that are survival factors responsible. Hence, a device can't be judged based on the amount of RAM it has. Actually, a higher amount of RAM can hold application in the background when compared to the device with less RAM. So, while selecting your next smartphone, compare things like SoC and GPU. Bigger battery means better battery backup. It's obvious that a bigger battery can hold more power, but does it mean that it also give a better battery backup? A simple answer is no. Though a bigger battery can hold much more power. What does that mean? A device having a small battery can last longer if its OS is well optimized as compared to a device with a bigger battery as an optimized OS. Turning Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off when not is used can save power. It's true that is you are activity using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, turning them off will saving your battery. However, if they are idle, them of not affect the battery life. The latest hardware used for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is so power efficient that you don't need to turn them off every time you don't easy them. 5. 4. More bar mean better technology quality. Most of us still think that if your phone is showing the maximum number of network bars, it means that the quality of strength. For instance, is your a near of mobile network tower, your phone will show maximum network bar. But if lots of people are connected with that same network, the quality of the network will be poor, which may result in call drop and show slow network speed. Installing antivirus software give you 100% protection against virus. As soon as we buy a computer, we install the latest antivirus thinking will protect us against virus. Though these software are effective in removing virus for your computer system, you can't rely on them completely as every day a new type of virus try to attack your system. Thankfully, most of these viruses are filtered and block up, but it your antivirus program is not up to date, it won't block the virus and your system will be affected. Jailbreaking. Rooting your smartphone is illegal. Rooting or jailbreaking is a process where the user removes restriction to overcome the limitations set by manufacturer of their OS. Though the process is illegal, clearing background app lead to better performance. It's a common myth that clearing background app will make your smartphone work faster. However, your smartphone operating system works differently. On the other hand, where you clear app the from of background, your device take even longer to open it again. Don't believe it, try it yourself. Overnight charging led to a battery explosion. This myth came to existence after a few smartphone episodes with charging. This common misconception will overall people mind because of they are stop charging their smartphone overnight. But is the case is simple answer to the question no. The modern smartphone come with smart circuit that cut off power as soon as the battery hit 100% mark. So it does not matter if you charge your phone for 2 hours or 20 hours. Your phone battery will not explode because of charging. No one can track you if you use incognito mode while browsing. Many people think incognito mode can save them from getting tracked. Cookies and site data information enter inform. But at the same time, if also say that authority and website that you use will be able to track you. So next time keep in mind that you are not hidden from the world while you are browsing in incognito mode.